Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? So today obviously I am doing a vlog, and this is my first time actually doing a vlog, so I hope it comes out well, you know. And today I am taking you guys to my church. Okay, so we have a Bible study, my small group actually, so we are having a small group meeting today, and I just want to show you guys a little bit, like give you a little tour, okay, what my church looks like. So I am actually standing in front of it, so this is actually the back view. So this is how it looks from the back. Okay, so I will walk. This is how it looks from the back, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I know it is. So I will be going to the front now, and I will see you guys there. Yeah. So this is another section of it, if you can see it. I'm actually walking to the front gate right now. So this is it. I'm hoping you can hear me with all this noise going on, guys. So this is it. Yeah. So ta-da! This is my church, guys. So this is my church, and I am actually in the compound now. So this is the front view of my church. I'm late, guys, really I am, but I just have to do this, and it won't be hi. So I won't take long doing this because I am already late. So this is front view of my church, guys. Let's go. So this door is to the main auditorium. Okay, that is not where we're going to today. So we're going up, so I'm gonna go up. Yeah, so this is a little section, is a bougie section, guys. So let's go upstairs. I hope they don't hear me, and guys, they don't know I'm doing this, so it's like a surprise. I hope they take it well, because I didn't tell anyone that I'm doing this, so I hope they take it well because it's a surprise. So let's go. This is my pastor's office right here, and this is guys, so this is the balcony, but it's locked. I don't know why. So this is it. And guys, we're here. So this is my small group. This is my small group, guys. So I told you guys that I was coming to church, and I will bring you guys to my church. So this is my church, guys. This is my small group here. It's a surprise. See them, they don't know actually. Hi. So I was doing a tour, so I'm gonna go continue my tour. I'll be right back. And there's a kitchen there, guys. And we're going down. This is another section, okay, to the main auditorium. So this is another section, so you can get into the main auditorium through this door, and this is the back door. Yeah, but it's closed. So guys, that will be all for today. I'm sweating, I know. The weather is really hot, and I was really in a hurry to come to church because I'm late. So yeah, let me catch my breath for a while. I think I need to catch my breath, okay? And yeah guys, thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about it. And if you love vlogs like this, also let me know in the comment section, and I will do more better ones and less panting. Okay guys, thank you so much. I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment, please be notified, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye.